right, next. Oh, get yourself together there, buddy. Crispy puff with fresh cream. This was in the chilled section. Okay. Let's do a. Let's go from the cream side. Oh my god. It's like this. It's not very crispy, which I'm sure maybe it was crispy when it first was baked, but this like sugary, buttery crust on top with just like the most perfect whipped cream. It's got like a little, you know how whipped cream's like kind of just soft and fluffy? This is like creamy and fluffy. Like there's some weight to this cream.